In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use NotebookLM to automatically generate infographics from your sources. That could be text, PDF files, or even video sources. Now, I'm going to leave the link in the description below for you to kind of log into NotebookLM, but I'll just click on Try NotebookLM right there. And from here, you get just your notebooks, featured notebooks, and so on. You can click on Create New, or even this particular option here. I'll click on this one. And once I do that, it's going to open up a new pop-up window, NotebookLM, add sources, and whatever infographic we're going to create is based on the sources you upload. Now, infographics are visual representations of maybe data that you want to kind of work with, or even something that you want to simplify in a simple way. So for this one, I'm going to upload a source in the form of a PDF file. Choose, and then I'm just going to upload this one. And once I upload it, it's going to upload the source here. And then right here in the chart, it's kind of going to give me a summary of what is happening. Now, I'll not concentrate a lot on that. And all I need to do is just click on Infographic Beta in the Studio panel here. And if you cannot see it, it's probably collapsed like that. So I'll just open it up and then click on Infographic. Generate an AI infographic based on your sources. I'll click on that. And once I do that, it's going to start generating the infographic based on my one source. Now, you can add a ton of sources right here. You can even search the web for new sources before you actually create your infographic right there. So it's a really simple way to generate infographics using NotebookLM. Now, we're going to give it a couple of minutes, and then we're going to preview what our infographic looks like once it's done. Once NotebookLM is done generating our infographic, you're going to see it right here. There are a couple of options, and from the three dots that indicate there's something more, click on that. You can rename, download, share, or delete. Now, alternatively, you can click right here on the infographic, and it's going to be displayed right inside there for you to see. So it kind of gives you a simple workflow of how everything looks like from the source you provided. So the PDF was on mastering transcription speed, 9 Pro tactics. So the tech tools, leverage AI powered tools, segment audio into chunks, use a foot pedal and text expanders. We also have some factors impacting AI quality, speaker count, background noise, audio volume, and then we've got skills and workflow management, mastering touch typing, using the Pomodoro technique, you vet files before starting. So it's a really good and simple infographic that we've created for free using NotebookLM. So as always, you can always download it, and once you download it, you can find it in the downloads section right here. Just open it up. It's a PNG image that you can kind of use. Now, take a note, it still has the NotebookLM logo right here. So you may need to edit it in something like Photoshop, or something that is actually going to give you the option to edit, or maybe if you want to add your logo, and so on and so forth. But that is how you can use NotebookLM to automatically generate infographics from your sources, or even text to infographics in NotebookLM. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.